record this real quick. Awesome. So today is Friday, June 21st of 2024. And we're seeing gold going on a bullish run. Yesterday, we had unemployment claims. It broke above my hourly structure, 2340. And now goes at 2362, 2365 area. It touched 2365. Yeah, it touched around 2368, almost 2370. And it's on a bullish run right now. As you guys can see here, we've been on a consolidation since I believe June 6th. We've been in between 2340, 2300. It's been going back and forth. We look at the 4-hour. As you guys can see, gold pushed down and then it shot up. It went down to below 2300, 2390, and then it shot up. Yeah, June 6th. We had this huge imbalance. Actually, not June 6th, June 7th. No, actually June 6th. Yeah, June 6th. It pushed price down, creating an imbalance. Right here. Boom, push price down, and then shot up, and hit 2340, and then shot down to 2300, and then shot up again to 2340, never broke above structure, and then it went down, up, down. So it was on an ascending consolidation. Okay. And then yesterday with unemployment claims, it finally broke above my 2340 hourly zone. And we're up from there. And then it filled my imbalance from June 6th. Okay. It filled half of my imbalance because that is liquidity. And whenever there's a gap in the market, price tends to fill the gap. Not all imbalances get filled, but typically when we see this kind of move, it will come to fill it. Okay. Now it broke above my structure and took out the liquidity, and now it's shooting up. Okay, I do see gold going back down before the big push up. Okay, I do see gold going down to 2340 again to retest, because when we look at the hourly, that's a strong support level. Now my resistance is now going to become a support. When there's an uptrend happening, remember guys, resistance becomes support when there's an uptrend. Resistance becomes support equals uptrend. Resistance becomes support equals uptrend. When there's a resistance and then it breaks above my resistance, it has to come back down to retest. Right now, as you can see, it's giving me a bearish 4-hour candle. And whenever I see this, it's a confirmation pattern that's going to reverse back down. It's going to pull back down. And then shoot up. So we have resistance here. And then finally price broke above. And I'm predicting a break and retest before the buy up. Okay. Now I know you guys are still, learning like the 8-step confirmation checklist. And I actually updated the confirmation checklist. I even give it a new name. It's called the playbook. I decided to call it the playbook. So if you guys look at my chat, I updated the list and we even put a name on it. Now I'm going to be calling it the playbook. So you guys follow the playbook, those 8 steps. It really works, guys. It really, really works. And you don't have to like get every single step down to before you like to confirm a trade. You can just get at least 3 to 4 solid confirmations out of those eight steps, and it's a solid trade. It's a solid trade. But especially you want to get the market direction. Like the first 3 steps are very, very important. Also, the break in structure and retest is very, very important. Okay. But at least you guys, have that list for so that way you guys can follow that. Because I've been able to combine smart money mixed with trend trap, mixed with, basic market structure, support resistance, with auras. I took all that and years of experience of just trading and, private mentorship, like other trainings. Like I've been able to compress all those strategies into those 8 steps. And just like years of knowledge and back testing. And it works, guys. Like it works. Like I've been able to really, really improve my trading because of those 8 steps. So follow the playbook. That is why I call it the playbook, because it is. It's the play. Okay. It is the playbook we need as traders to follow. But look at that, guys. When we see this happening right here, this 4 hourly candle, look how it's pushing down. Now, these are sellers coming into the market. Okay. Sellers are coming in and pushing price down. And we also have news. We also have news in 20 minutes? We have news in 20 minutes. Okay, we have flash manufacturing PMI, which is a red folder, high impact. So we're going to expect high volatility. And then we have existing home sales at the hour. But I want to pay more attention to the red folder. Okay. The red folder indicates high impact. Now, what is flash manufacturing PMI? Well, come to forexfactory.com, click on the folder, and it'll give you the details and other sources for you to check out. Flash manufacturing PMI. What does it measure? A level of diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers in the manufacturing industry. Above 50.0 indicates industry expansion, below indicates contraction. And it's the leading indicator of economic health. Businesses react quickly to market conditions, and their purchasing managers hold perhaps the most current and relevant insight into the company's view of the economy. So it's basically a survey that they do of about 800 purchasing managers, which asks respondents to rate the relative level of business conditions, including employment, production, new orders, prices, supplier deliveries, and inventories. PMI stands for Purchasing Managers Index. Okay, so this happens quite often, and last numbers, it resulted a 50.9. Okay, which was back in May 23rd. Oops, it's May 23rd, we had the last flash manufacturing PMI, and it resulted a 50.9, which indicates industry expansion. Above 50.0 indicates industry expansion. So we have that in less than 25 minutes here. Actually, less than 20 minutes. We have that news happening. Okay, so let's prepare for that. I do see gold pushing down. I do see gold pushing down back to my 2340. So especially because of this 4-hour candle, we have a bearish candle. And it's looking like it's right now we're experiencing a pullback before the big push up. And also, you know, as you guys can see, I have a bunch of lines and, you know, key levels. All these lines just basically indicate like the key levels and also my take profit. Okay. My exits and then my zones are like my entries. Okay. And then my horizontal lines are my exit points. I also marked up every New York Open session because we trade New York Open. Here in the yellow, you see this yellow dashed line, this vertical line. It's my New York Open. Okay. No, actually, it's not my New York Open. It's my news. Okay. It's like this yesterday was unemployment claims. And this dashed line, that's unemployment claims. Here, there's a yellow square, this yellow rectangle here is my New York Open. Okay. It's my New York Open from 6:30 to 10:30 Arizona time. So 6:30 to 10:30, that's 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours of either looking for an opportunity or holding a trade because I'm an intraday trader. Okay. I'm an intraday trader. So I'm willing to hold my trade for an hour, for 2 hours or 3 hours, for 4 hours, max 4 hours. Okay. Because when New York Open hits, it's 6:30 Arizona, 8:30 Central, 9:30 Eastern. Okay. 9:30 Eastern, New York opens. And then when it hits 10:30, okay, that is 12:30 Central and 1:30 Eastern. And price tends to consolidate around those times, like around 10:30, 11, right? Arizona time. So really, as you guys can see here, yesterday we had New York Open, right? Yesterday we had unemployment claims. It pushed price up and broke above my hourly structure. The gray zone here broke above my hourly structure, right? For a total 150 plus pips. And then around 8:30, it started to consolidate. Okay. Now I'm only trading in between those times from 6:30 to 10:30. 6:30 to 10:30. Okay. So I'm willing to hold my trade for like 4 hours or so, like 3 to 4 hours. You know, it really depends on the day. But between 6:30 to 10:30, just those 4 hours, that's my sweet spot right there. Okay, to look for an opportunity. If I don't see an opportunity at 6:30 or at 7:30, okay, I have until 10:30 to look for an opportunity. If I don't, then I'm out. I'm not trading. Okay. So time does really matter. Like the time session that you're trading, it really, really matters. So if you're whether you're trading New York Open, London session, Tokyo, Sydney, pick a session and really study that session. Like really, really study it. Just like I'm showing you guys here, like I trade New York Open. Okay, I'm gonna back test New York Open. What does price do? What does gold do during New York Open? And for me, New York Open works because New York Open is the best session to trade gold. Like straight up. New York Open. It's the best session to trade gold because there's more volatility, there's more volume, right? That's the New York Stock Exchange. It's open and there's traders, right? So banks coming in. So there's a lot of movement, there's a lot of activity going on during New York Open. That's why I like to trade New York Open because we have more activity going on, right? So, and that's exactly what happened yesterday. We had so much activity going on, which caused this bullish move to happen. Okay, after news. So that was yesterday. And look, and this was Wednesday. Wednesday was a holiday, June, it was Juneteenth or whatever it's called. Like it's a man-made holiday. I really, I don't understand. I don't like what I forgot. I even forgot the holiday. I even forgot it was a holiday Wednesday. Um, but price was consolidating and let me see. Yeah, New York Open here Wednesday, and then it was consolidating, right? As you guys see here, banks were closed, so price was consolidating. So I didn't trade Wednesday, because obviously it was a holiday. Now Tuesday, let me see. Tuesday here, New York Open Tuesday. Look what price did. This was Tuesday here. It resulted a bullish run here. This was Tuesday. And as you guys can see, I only drew my rectangle from 6:30 to 10:30 here. And then after that, price started to consolidate. And then this was Monday, New York Open right here. Price shot down. It shot up and then it shot down. But do you guys see that throughout the week it started to create higher highs? Like it was slowly trending up to my hourly zone, 223.40. Oops. So price shot up and then it shot down. So here. See New York Open, price shot up and then it shot down to liquidate these buyers. Price shot up, shot down, then shot up 10:30 hit, and then it started to consolidate, and then slowly trending up, and shot down again to liquidate here, shot down, and then shot up. Tuesday, New York Open, shot up, started to create higher highs. After 10:30, started consolidating. This was Monday. We didn't trade Monday, right? We didn't have our call Monday. This was Friday of last week. Price was just consolidating. Okay. I didn't trade Friday because price was just consolidating. And then Sunday, push price down. And then Monday, shot up and then shot down. London session, shot down and then shot up. And then we had Tuesday, New York Open, shot price up. Slowly trending to the upside, respecting these key levels. I have my hourly here at 2340. Wednesday, holiday, price was just consolidating throughout the day. And then Wednesday evening, price was moving to the upside. And then London session hit. Price broke above, came down. And then news, unemployment claims yesterday, it shot price to the upside. And then New York Open hit yesterday, boom, 150 pips. You see how throughout the week, price was creating higher highs, higher high, higher high, higher high. This is like an equal high, right? Tuesday and Wednesday, right? This is like equal high. But after Wednesday, it created a new higher high. And then Tuesday's higher high. Tuesday's price was higher than Monday's price. You see, throughout the week, it was slowly trending to the upside, right? Monday, New York Open, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and now here we have Friday, New York Open, where now we're experiencing a pullback. Are you guys seeing this right now? This is how I backtest. This is how I study. The way I'm teaching you guys, this is how I study. I even talk to myself sometimes. I feel like I am talking to myself. But yeah, guys, this is how I study. Look, I mark up every New York Open, okay, and I make sure, hey, these are the times I'm trading. Okay, we're trading New York Open 6:30 to 10:30. And I'm looking for any opportunities in between those sessions, that time. Between 6:30 to 10:30, I'm looking for an opportunity. Okay. If it goes past 10:30, I don't see an opportunity. I'm not trading. I'm done for the day. I'll wait for the next day. Okay. But as you can see here, we have news in less than 3 minutes. We have news and gold is pushing down. Gold is pushing down, guys. So I'm going to draw my hourly resistance here at 23.65. I'm gonna draw my hourly resistance. Because price failed to create a new higher high. Um, the width of my rectangle is 20 pips. Why 20 pips? Because I want an area. I want enough room, okay, for an entry. It's an area of interest. It's an area of interest. 2364. So I'm looking for gold to push down 2340 area, and or we may see a reaction at 2345. But I'm gonna wait for my confirmation candle because this is a break and retest, okay? Let's go to the 15-minute. Right now it's liquidating all the buyers. You see how throughout the day yesterday, price was trending up. And now New York here, New York open, price is shooting down. Look at that, guys. Okay, we have news now. It's going below 2345. Let's wait. Let's wait. I'm not taking any trade right now because I understand that there's news. Okay. And I'm gonna wait how price is reacting to news. As you guys can see, it's pushing price down. I'm gonna wait. Be patient. Be patient, guys. I'm gonna wait to see how price is gonna react at 2340. Let's go, Tony. You caught the sell. What was your entry? What entry? So I'm gonna wait 2360. Sheesh. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Y'all savages for real. Y'all savages, man. 2355. Okay. Yeah, you guys took advantage of the push down. Yeah, when gold pushes, it pushes. So you guys caught the okay, you guys caught the sell up here. It broke below my support level here. Evan called it. You see how price is reacting at 2340. Like it barely touched 2342. Give me that wick. Now I'm gonna wait for the new hour because price tends to react every 15 minutes. So every hour, 15, 30, 45, price tends to react. So I'm going to wait for my confirmation candle. I'm waiting for a bullish candle before the buy up because I want to go with the trend. The overall trend of the market. Let's look at impulse to see what it's giving me. So we know our overall market direction is uptrend, right? When you guys look at the 8 steps for our market direction, obviously it's trending up. 1 hour support resistance zones, I got that down. 15-minute internal support resistance zone. Break of structure, right? It broke above my 2340 and now it's coming back down. Looking for that retest. And then my confirmation candle. You see here, impulse is giving me a red micro trend arrow at the 1 minute and 5 minute because obviously it's pulling back down. We're just experiencing a pullback right now. But at the higher time frames, it's giving me a blue micro trend arrows here, right? When you see blue micro trend arrows at the higher time frames, overall is on an uptrend. When you see red micro trend arrows at the small time frames, we're just experiencing a pullback. Okay, at the smaller scale, we're experiencing a pullback, but bigger picture at the higher time frames, we're actually trending up. Right? So that's why I'm waiting for that bullish candle to form before I buy because I want to go with the trend. I want to go with the overall trend. So 5 minute, it gave me that red micro trend. Because obviously there's news and it's pushing price down, liquidating all these buyers. So I'm gonna wait for the new hour. We have like 10 minutes. Price may shoot up.
Hey, Carlos, I just got a really quick question. It's T. On the impulse with those two, I guess you could say dotted lines or broken
Uh-huh.
lines, that's just telling us right now, basically, it's in a downtrend, correct?
These dashed lines here,
Yes.
these are my micro pivot lines, which means that these are they use these as counter trend lines. So you can use these counter trend lines as like for break of structure. So whenever you see these micro pivot lines, it basically means that it's a counter trend. Like you can use these micro pivot lines as a counter trend lines and wait for that break of structure, wait for price to break above my micro pivot lines and retest. And that's an entry opportunity, right, to the upside. So whenever you see the micro pivot lines, the dash lines, that just indicates a counter trend. So as you guys can see, price is trending down, it's pushing down, and they have my counter trend line right there. Okay. But yeah, the micro pivot lines are basically counter trend lines. That's basically what it is. And you can use it for break of structure. When it breaks above my counter trend line and retest, then that's an opportunity. So man, gold is pushing down. Wow. Sheesh. So 20 is at my zone right now. Yeah, this is shooting like crazy. Okay, let me see here. 15-minute. Yes, coming back down to 23.35. I'm waiting for the new hour, guys. We have 6 minutes left until my next 15-minute candle. We may see a big push up and may give me a wick and then shoot up because this is an imbalance as well. All this, when you see impulsive moves like this, it's an imbalance. So we may see a push up. Right now it's liquidating all the buyers from, from the previous days, in the last couple of days. So that's why you want to pay attention to these key levels because price tends to react at these key levels. So as you guys can see here, it is touching around 23.35. We have price action going on around 23.35 as well. So at every key level, there's price action going on. Like at 23.35 as well, there's price action here, right? So I could also move my zone to 23.35 or 23, 23.30, 23.25. It all depends like how price reacts. And also I'm waiting for my confirmation candle. So right now I just touched 23.35. Let's see how price reacts at that level. I'm gonna look at the 5-minute because we have 5 minutes left till the hour. And now look at that. It's giving me a bullish candle. But I still want to wait. I'm gonna wait to see if it gives me another bullish candle at the hour. Because it could give me a bullish candle and then push down. You just never know. So I'm gonna wait. I want to be patient. 6, 4. Let's see what are the numbers. And we also have news existing home sales in 3 minutes. At the hour, we also have news. We have this orange folder, which indicates mild impact. So yeah, news came out to 51.7, so it's industry expansion. Above 50 is industry expansion, which is good news for the dollar. So it's bullish on the dollar and then bearish on gold. That's why gold is pushing down, because news is positive. Okay, it's positive on the dollar. It resulted a bullish candle on the dollar. Now we have less than a minute. Get ready, get ready, get ready. And they push price up. Let's see. Now buyers are coming in. Now let's wait. And they push price down and then shoot up. So it went above my 2340, broke above, and now it's retesting. I'm waiting for a bullish candle. I want to see a second bullish candle forming. Right now we're seeing I want to see a three inside up. Yeah, a three inside up confirmation candle. Three inside up is when there's a bearish candle and then bullish following two bullish candles. A three inside up is when there's a bearish candle and then following a bullish candle and a second bullish candle. I'm waiting for that to happen. But right now, obviously because of news, is pushing price down again. Back to my hourly zone at 23.35. Yeah, price is reacting at 23.35. It's really respecting that area. So give me that wick. 50-minute candle here was giving me Okay. I still have a bearish 15-minute candle. Yeah, that's a good support level. Because we have some price action here, you gotta look left to be right. Look left, we got resistance, push price up, became support, and now it's coming back down to retest this level again because we have price action here. Because price broke above, came back down to retest, and now it's shooting up. Now it's coming back down to retest this area. Now, I would love to see a bullish 15-minute candle because I would really confirm it. Right now, it's just still giving me a bearish 15-minute candle. I like to look at the 15-minute time frame because as confirmation. If it gives me a bullish 15-minute candle at the 15-minute mark, that would be great. That will really confirm that buy. And now I'll take the trade off the 5-minute. It broke below 23.35, the zone. Yes, sellers are dominating right now. So it broke below my zone. Let's see. Yeah, so whenever it breaks below, just go to the next key level. I'm waiting for a confirmation candle for the buy. Overall, we're still bullish on gold. We'll see how far it'll pull back down before the buy up. Let's refresh it. We'll see how far it'll push down. If it breaks below this key level, okay, just go to the next one. The next one is 23.30. And I'm going to move my zone to 23.30 because it broke below 22.35. Now I'm going to go to the next zone, 23.30, and see how price will react there. Because that's a key level. Okay. 22.30. So every $5 is a key level. So 23.30, 23.35, 23.40, 23.45, 23.50, it's a key level. Right. And I love gold because it respects these key levels. And you can use these key levels as entry, as a stop loss, or as a take profit. 23.31, 23.30, 20.29. Boom. Now it's in my 22.30 area. It's testing that key level. Now let's wait for a confirmation candle. I'm going to wait till the 15-minute mark. I just want to make sure. Every time you guys go back to Impulse, make sure you refresh it as well. Every time I go back to the page, I want to I want to refresh it so that way it can give me an update of where how the market trends are looking and where price is heading. So it's still giving me red arrows, red trend, red strength arrow. The higher time frames is still blue market trend. So overall, we're still at an uptrend. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, you see this big push down. Price is still above my EMA. This is the 4-hour. You see, it's giving me blue signals, blue trend arrow, blue strength arrow. We're just experiencing a pullback. We're just experiencing a liquidation from all the buyers. It may touch my EMA at 23, 23.25. 23.30. 23.30 seems like a really good 23.30 or 23.25. Because we had a touch. You guys see here at the left. You guys see a touch here at the EMA. You see that? Boom, right here. Get a touch here. We have two touches here, actually. Two touches here at the EMA. So that touch was around 23.20, 23.25. That's a good sign. 23.30, give me that wick. Okay, let's wait for the 15-minute mark. We still have 3 minutes. We have 3 minutes and 30 seconds. My next candle. The results let's see here. Boom, boom. I want to see a bullish candle forming, like 2 or 3 bullish candles in a row. That would really confirm it. But it seems like price is respecting that 23.30 area. Let's look at the 15-minute. Oh yeah, it's respecting that area for sure. Okay. We may see an opportunity here. It gave me that wick. Oh yeah, it's pushing up. $23.50. We have less than a minute left. Get ready for this buy, guys. I like the way that candle's looking. It's pushing price up now. Make sure you guys are using proper risk. Set up a stop loss. I'm gonna wait how price will react at the 15-minute mark. It's man just hit. And give me that doji candle. Let's see. I want to see bullish candle. I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. I'm not entering yet. It's pushing price down. It may push down at 23.30 again. And give me a wick. But let's see. I'm not entering the trade yet, guys. Yeah, it's pushing down 22.30. I want to see a bullish candle. Patience. Yeah, that sell was a move. And news, that big push down. I saw it coming too. But I want to go with the trend. I don't want to go against it. Because I know it's going to push up eventually. Yes, you could have capitalized you know, the sell. For those that caught the sell, man, you guys are up. Tony, bro, I know you're up, bro. Make sure to pay yourself, bro. Pay yourself. For those that caught the sell, let me know. Drop some money bags in the chat. Drop some money bags in the chat. If you guys caught the sell, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. But I'm being patient here, and I'm looking for buys. I'm bullish on gold. Like I'm bullish. I'm bullish, so I'm waiting. I'm waiting patiently, and I'm looking for that buy because I know it's gonna come at a point where it's gonna just shoot up and liquidate all the sellers. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys are paying yourself, man. Like for real, it's Friday. You know, you guys caught the bag. You guys caught some profits this week. Make sure you pay yourself. Because yes, we can you know enter the trade. We can capitalize. We can get the profits. But guys, if you think about it, like your money is still with the broker. Like your money's still with the broker. So make sure you guys pay yourself and have your money hit your bank account and actually touch it. So make sure you guys pay yourself because it's a different feeling. I'm telling you, it's a different experience. It's a different feeling when you cash out from the profits you made from trading. So make sure you guys are paying yourself. That's good, Liana. 60 pips is better than 0 pips. That's good. Congratulations. You know, give yourself credit. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys are paying yourself, man. For real. So I'm still waiting for this buy. I'm waiting for my confirmation candles to hit. Give us a doji. There you go. You may see let me see a reversal here. Probably happened at 7:30. May see at the 30-minute mark. The 15-minute candle is still bearish. This could be it right here. So we have about 9 minutes for the new 15-minute candle. You see the big push up. I'm looking for 3 outside up. Yeah, 3 outside up. So let's wait for a for another bullish candle to form. It's forming one. Now I'm going to wait for the next one. Okay, before I catch the buy. I want to see at least 2 consecutive bullish candles forming. Guys, know your confirmation candles. Get the book, the Candlestick Trading Bible. Get that book and study it. Telling you, it's game changer. Studying these candles, it gives you a lot of information, a lot of data. Okay. Please, 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 please study these candles. Because it will give you like more confirmation. Ever since I started studying more about the candles, it changed the game for me. And also the book Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. I'm actually going to go back and read that book again. It's so powerful. Remember, guys, every trade you take is independent from each other. Every trade is independent from each other. Okay. Every trade is independent for each other from each other. So if you guys are experiencing a winning streak, okay, remain calm, remain cool and collected, follow your trading plan, follow proper risk, gather confirmations before you enter the next trade. Okay, because every trade is independent from each other. Just because you have a winning streak, it's not going to guarantee you that the next trade you're going to win. But same thing, or if you're having a losing streak, next trade will not guarantee you a win. So keep that in mind. Be mindful of gambler's fallacy. 3 psychological trading mistakes. Right? We saw that video the other day. If you didn't, check it out. The 3 psychological trading mistakes of a trader. I like that. I like the look of that candle. Boom, that could be it right there. That could give me that doji candle. You see how it wicked and then shut up? So I'm waiting for a next bullish candle. It may form at the 30-minute mark. Let's look at this closely. I feel like I'm doing a procedure, like a surgery. Like, let's look at it closely. I feel like a doctor. We're doing a procedure, like we're so quiet, focus. Hold on, let me see. I like the look of that candle. So we have less than 3 minutes. The 30-minute mark. You see how it pushed down, give me that wick, respected the zone, and it shot up. Okay, I want to see a new bullish candle being formed. My mom was making chicken and waffles. I can't even eat right now. This is Yo, fix me a plate, sis. Yo, that sounds good. Chicken and waffles? Yo, for breakfast? Fix me a plate. That sounds good, low key. Are you guys enjoying this? Drop a fire emoji in chat if you guys are getting some value. Drop some fire emojis in the chat if you guys are getting some value right now. You see why being patient is so important, because you want to gather your confirmations. Okay, we have less than a minute. Well, we have like what, a minute and 20 seconds for our new candle. Keep in mind of the time, we're about to hit the 30-minute mark. And every 15, 30, 45, every new hour, price tends to react. So let's wait. Okay. Let's wait. You may see a bullish 15-minute candle because it's definitely respecting that zone. 2330. It gives me a bullish 15-minute candle. That's a buying sign right there. So it's looking good right now. I have less than 20 seconds for the 30-minute mark. Get ready for buys. Make sure you guys are using proper risk. Do not trade without a stop loss. This baby is shooting up. Let's enter that buy now. Enter the buy now. Make sure you have a stop loss. Stop loss is 23, 23.5, 23.30. Make sure you guys are using a stop loss. Yeah. At the 15-minute, it's giving me a doji candle. Let's see here. Make sure you guys are using a stop loss. Stop loss 23.30. Got 23.30. Stop 1, 23.40. Who got in? Who's in with me? Let me know who's in, who's in, who's in, who's in. Entry, if you guys enter at 23.35, stop loss is 23.30. Let me know in the chat if you guys entered. Let me know, let me know, let me know. This thing is shooting up. That's my confirmation pattern. We have the 3 outside up. Okay, so right now we're on this buy. My entry was at 23.35 because of that confirmation candle. CP1 23.40, CP2 23.45, and then CP3 23.50. It broke above 22.35, came back to retest, and now it's shooting up. Let's look at impulse. Let's refresh it here. But yeah, when you guys look at the 15-minute, it gave me that doji candle. Yeah, the 15-minute gave me like that doji candle. So like that's a good buying sign. Let's look at it. 15-minute. Gave me this doji candle. And now that 15-minute candle, now it's bullish. It's shooting up. You see why I like to look at the 15-minute? Because of this. Now at the 15-minute, it's giving me a bullish candle. And it gave me that doji right there. Now it's pushing price up. But let me know if you guys got in. We're in profits right now. Make sure you guys are using proper risk. TP1 23.40, TP2 23.45, TP3 23.50 for a total of 150 pips. Stop loss at 23.30. Make sure you guys are managing your trade and moving your stop loss to break even when you're above 15 pips or more. So right now, it's safe to put your stop loss to break even. Because right now we're in 30 pips in profits, baby. Now, let's remain calm, cool and collected, poker face, because we're still in this trade, But like let's stay focused here. Vladimir, you're savage, bro. You're trading Bitcoin and gold. Yo, of course you are, bro. You guys don't know Vladimir. Vladimir, he's heavy on crypto, man. He's a phenomenal student. He's out there in the Philippines running it up, man. We have people from the Philippines attending this call, man. Drop the city that. Let me know what city you're tuning in from. Let me know in the chat what city, what country you're tuning in from. I want to know where everybody's at right now. Because it's Friday morning, it's Friday, and we're catching these pips. Let me know in the chat what city, what country you guys are tuning in from right now. We have Cali in the building. My sis Stephanie, always on the calls, always showing up. We have NYC. We have Washington, D.C. Okay, okay. In the house. Okay, okay. Reporting live. We have Florida in the building. We're being patient, trusting our trade. But yeah, guys, this is how I do it. This is how we do it, man. This is the playbook. This is the playbook here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it here because I know it's been past the hour. If you guys got some value, you guys are in profits, drop some money bags in the chat. Make sure to manage your trade throughout the day. Okay, this is an intraday trade. Okay, so it may run for an hour or so. Be patient with it. Manage your trade. Make sure to take partials when you're 15, 30 pips or more in profit. But this is a play here. Okay. This is how we end the week. And I'll keep you guys posted in the chat, in the Telegram chat. I'll keep you guys posted with the trade and everything. But yeah, guys, I hope you have a blessed weekend. Make sure you guys back test, study, watch the recordings, follow my YouTube channel. And just keep showing up, keep sharpening your axe. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Let's have a blessed weekend. I'll see you guys Tuesday morning. God bless. Let's run it up.